for the Lord. You are son of God. He called you. He created you. You Jacob, what the Lord speaks to you. He says how. Who molded you? You Israel. Don't fear. Praise the Lord. What brings trembling and fear in your heart? What takes your energy? That one who calls you, who molded you. He has said that we are. Don't fear. You don't mean the spirit of fear. Why the spirit of fear? Because we, as if we cannot. If we trust him, we know who called us, who molded us. We cannot have fear. He says don't fear, because you are mine. I'm the one who, what you fear, the Son that God can. God can manage them. He is not our Jesus. He had reached a moment of that my mighty God. It is possible this. But the Holy Spirit came and encouraged. He encouraged him. He empowered him. When he was being nailed, he was strengthened. When he was put aside, he was like, just do whatever you want. The Bible has told us, don't fear, don't lose hope, don't backslide. We are going in forward. This is a day of salvation. We have to move forward. Don't fear. Don't fear what is in front of you. That fire in front of you. Those situations come in fire. Someone can. Those was like, there's someone who can come.